Hello kids, good morning. Welcome back to English basic online class. In this class, we are going to learn about sentence and types of sentence. To speak, read and write, we make use of sentence. Now, what is a sentence? A collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thought is called a sentence. Means a collection of words. Collection of words means it is a group of words that are arranged. That they are arranged in such a way to put forward a sensible thought. Means they are going to make some meaning. They are going to make some sense. So it is called sensible thought. Is called a sentence. Now see this example. A big he in house live. Is this a sentence? No, this is not a sentence. Now see another one. He lives in a big house. He lives in a big house. Now this is a sentence. He lives in a big house. This is a sentence. Okay. Now sentences are of 4 types. How many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types. What are they? I'll write it on the board. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. Okay. Now, first one is declarative sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Sentence. Sentences I like. Okay. So 4 types of sentences are declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentence. Now, what is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence is a sentence that states or declares something. That is called declarative sentence or statements. Like, the sky is blue. What is the example of declarative sentence? The sky is blue. Is blue. Okay. Now, he goes to school. He goes to school every day. Then the hen lays eggs. Hens lays eggs. Hens lays hens lay eggs. So these are some examples of declarative sentence. Got it? So what is a declarative sentence? A sentence that states or declares something. That is called declarative sentence. or statement. It simply denies or affirms something. Now second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Second type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Sentences. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask question to someone, like where is your home? How are you? Where are you going? All these are question sentence, so we call them as interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. And declarative I forgot to tell you, declarative sentence, they always ends with a full stop. Before I told you declarative sentence, they ends with a full stop, but interrogative sentence, they always ends with a question mark. Now third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Now, what is imperative sentence? A sentence that express an order, advice, or request is called imperative sentence. A sentence that express an order, request, or advice is called imperative sentence. Like, please give me your pen. This is imperative sentence because it is a request. Sit down. This is order giving, command giving. So this is also imperative sentence. Then please post this later. This is also request sentence. Like these sentences are known as imperative sentence. A sentence which express an order, request, or a piece of advice is called imperative sentence. Got it? Now last one is exclamatory sentence. Sentences. What are exclamatory sentences? A sentence that express strong feelings or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. A sentence that express strong feelings or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Like, wow, such a beautiful sari. Such a beautiful sari. Sari. This is the example of exclamatory sentence. Here, this is why is a exclamatory word. Now, oh, I got hurt. I got hurt. So this is also an exclamatory sentence. Here, oh is the exclamation word. Now, today we have learned about sentence, and there are 4 types of sentence. So what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. There are 4 types of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. What is declarative sentence? A sentence that states or declares something is called declarative sentence or statement. Like, she will not sing. This is also declarative sentence. A declarative sentence always ends with a full stop. Another type of sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are those sentences which ask question to someone, like what is your name, where are you going. All these are interrogative sentence. Now third one is imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? A sentence that express a request, order, or a piece of advice is called imperative sentence. Like, please give me a pen, post this later. These are the example of imperative sentence. Now children, today's homework is that you have to write what is a sentence and what are the different types of sentences. Thank you.